Baby, I have to go get something. I forgot.
Forgot where?
There's something I need to buy for the family. Let me just buy it somewhere here. Okay?
But at least you should have just driven us in. You can't leave us here.
Don't worry, just you keep moving, okay? Once the gate opens, just go in. Okay?
Okay, just don't be long.
Let me start going. Oh, come on, baby. Daddy loves you. Daddy loves you.
Don't stay long.
I miss you.
You're gonna pull my hair. Okay.
I miss you.
Be quick.
Okay, I'm coming.
All right. Sit down properly. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. And I'm your AP.
I'm actually on my way to this house, but my husband went to get something, so I have to wait for him.
Okay. But even at that, you can't just block the road like this.
Okay, can I come in there?
This is the palace of a very, very powerful king.
Oh.
You understand that?
Okay, can I come in there?
Drive in at once.
Thank you.
What's going on?
Why
not allow them come in before you start throwing your questions at them?
That's exactly what I'm doing.
So go ahead and do it.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I'm so sorry about the way he behaved. He was just doing his job.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Please, who are you and how may I help you? My name is Queen Esther Okaka, the Queen of Umudinna Kingdom. Okay? Who are you?
My name is Rebecca and my husband is Prince Obinna Okaka. These are my kids. He actually went to get something down the road. He said he would be back and we decided to just come in ourselves.
Your husband is who?
Prince Obinna.
My daughter.
Yes.
Please, who are you? And who did you say is your husband?
My name is Rebecca Achike, daughter of Mr. Godwin Achike, and these are my children, and my husband is Prince Obinna Okaka. Excuse me, Is Obinna not who he says he is? I don't understand.
My dear, Prince Obinna came from this royal family.
Oh.
The mother and I and other members of the family are preparing to celebrate his 10-year memorial service.
What? What?
What I'm saying to you is that Obinna died 10 years ago.
That's not possible. That is not possible. How is it that I am married to a ghost? Obinna drove me all the way from Lagos to the gate, and he said he was going to buy something, that he was going to be back.
Rebecca, you need to calm yourself down. If you continue this way, you might hurt yourself. It's been more than 2 hours. You came back. Please calm yourself down.
I cannot be calm! I am not married to a ghost!
If you don't believe what my wife and my daughter here told you, then let me tell you exactly what happened. Maybe that will help us a little to settle.
Your Highness, please don't. Please.
But I want to hear everything. I want to know.
My prince!
Ogini, what is it?
Are you standing there?
Ogini,
come on, help me! What is happening?
Get the car key fast! Ogini! What is it? Get the car key! Hey, Chibo! I'm finished! Hey! I'm finished! What is this now? Hey, Chibo!
What happened there was not natural. It wasn't normal.
It was an accident.
No. Were you not there? I didn't see the king pull the trigger.
That is why it's an accident.
No. It has never been heard of that a king of a kingdom killed his own prince, the heir apparent to his throne.
Wait. Are you saying the prince is dead?
No. Let's pray he's alive. Let's pray he's alive.
Let's go.
Where are my parents? Mom! Dad, I'm home!
Doctor, how is my son?
Your Majesty, you know, in times like this, we need to be very strong. God knows the best. We did all we could, but the prince could not make it. Your Majesty! Nurse! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Your Majesty! Just take it away.
Buchi, where are my parents? I mean, where are my parents and my brother? I mean, nobody go out of this gate without your knowledge. Tell me, where are my parents and my brother?
My princess, they all went to the hospital.
Hospital? To do what?
My princess, the king mistakenly shot the prince.
How do you mean my father mistakenly shot my brother? How? What happened? How did it happen?
My princess, take it. It was an accident.
Accident?
Please, my princess. You're just coming from a very far journey. Why not rest a little bit? With time, you will understand everything. Please.
No. Please, talk to me.
It was a mistake.
Oh, God. I'm not getting this whole thing. What happened? Talk to me.
My princess, you need to calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Okay. Which hospital? Which hospital did they go to?
The family hospital. That's the general hospital.
No, don't go there. Wait, princess.
Wait.
He's fine. Yes, Your Majesty. He's fine. He's just in shock over what happened.
What's going on here? Where's my brother Obi now?
Just calm down. He's not here now. He's not here.
No. Someone should tell me it's a lie. Please.
Please, princess, put yourself together. It's not good for the king, you know.
Doctor, I think we've had enough for the day. I hope my husband is going to be fine.
I assure you, Your Majesty, the king will be fine. Just that he tried to swallow everything as a man. But he'll be okay.
Your Majesty, Lolo, where are the rest of the elders? Good. Why I asked the three of you to stay and others to go is because you are my trusted ones. And I know you have been through thick and thin with me in this kingdom. Traditionally, I want to find out why I have to shoot and kill my own son. Somebody tell me why.
How about a wine? As a wine. Okay, wine. As na ada agba aka enwude ife na ata alụ. Ada agba aka ejebe ese. Ejike m ọjị. Ọjị gbala ịnọ wee bịa. I am here once again to seek your face as a wine. I did not come empty-handed. I present this kola note before your face to consult you. I have never and will never perform whatever due sacrifice that you demand from me. Please, answer me. As a wine, please, answer me. As a wine, I greet you. I greet you.
You're welcome, my son. My son, what brought you from this far to me this hot afternoon?
As a wine, my king has lost his son. What must be done?
You shall go to the three-part junction. An egg is going to appear before you. Take it. Break it. And everything you seek shall be done as you desire. Go. Take the egg by your side.
As I break this egg, every power you possess shall scatter. As this egg scatter on this T-junction, any power you serve, any power that serves you shall scatter. It shall scatter. Azum kona mezwa, Ezemo, this is for you. It can never come back to me. Kazum God. Otito dele Jesu.
Your Highness, all I'm seeing is a natural cause. Nobody programmed anything. It was just an accident.
No. My priest, no. It's not true. Just wake up for me. Wake up. No. My priest. Why? No. Why will it be this way, my priest? Why? This was just the way we planned it. We planned to live together and raise our children together. But you made it impossible. You drop everything. No, this is not true. You drop everything. You told me that the mission is impossible. No! Wake up!
Please,
wake up!
Wait. My daughter, please listen to me. This thing is very hard on all of us. Even me as his mother, it's too hard for me to bear. But there's no amount of sweet words that can bring Obinna back.
What do you want me to do?
Just calm down.
What do you want me to say? Just help me and wake him up. Mother, please, come and wake him up for me. Wake him.
Take it easy now. Please, you will hurt yourself. No. Please, let's lift her up. Let's come.
No, my heart is bleeding. My heart is bleeding. No, I can't take it. No, you want to separate me from him. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want to leave him.
It's okay. No. Just try and calm yourself down. Please. We all know he was close to you more than anyone in this palace.
Please,
what if you're in my father's shoe? What if you're his sister or mother?
Please, it's okay.
You don't wish to pass through all what we are passing through in this palace every second.
Please, let's go there so they can relax. You will hurt yourself.
No, leave me. No.
There's something that is bothering me since the king separated you, I don't know, to help him looking situation of his son's death.
And what might that be?
Though I'm not in position of any throne, but the king thinks that the earth might have someone who wants to take over his throne.
Chief Nze, I told you this times without number, that there's issues that are not supposed to be discussed in the open. Trees have ears, walls have ears. Someone might be somewhere listening to us.
You know that I'm not going to take the throne. But all I'm saying is that sooner or later, all the cabinet chiefs will know what is going on and they will feel bad about it.
Let us be going home first. Nze, when we get home, we can discuss this in your house or in mine.
This walls may have ears like your own wall or my own wall. Anybody can listen. That's not my own cup of tea. But all I'm saying is that that can never deprive me to say what I want to say. Anytime, anywhere. Mark it.
Is it even possible for someone to be married to a ghost and bear children?
My daughter, I have heard such stories severally. I never believed any.
And this one?
I found it very hard, but I believe this one.
You believe it is not because he's your son?
Yes, because he has been appearing to me with those children, calling their names Frank and Princess, telling me they are his, that I should take care of them and look after them very well. My dear, have I not been telling you that?
Yes, you have, Your Highness.
But he didn't leave any clue. He didn't leave any clue. We do everything together. We go to church together.
Rebecca, the spiritual controls the physical. Okay?
Hello? Please, where are you? Please, I beg you, come back. Just come back. I'm sure we can sort it out. That's what I'm saying now. Please come back.
Here is Obinna, my son. Obinna, my prince.
I think he got off.
No, he's not. He's still angry with me. He has not forgiven me.
Yes, he has, Father. Let's say maybe he's trying to protect you from hurting yourself again.
But I still want to hear his voice.
Your Highness, can we please stop this? Enough of this! I mean, why do you make it look as if Obinna traveled and he's back in his room and you people are hurting me with it? This is his 10th anniversary, for crying out loud. People should stop hurting me, please.
This is not happening.
Enough.
Rebecca,
please.
Let's step off, please. Rebecca, you need to calm yourself down. Father, Mother, Rebecca needs to rest now. Please.
I don't want to rest though. I'm fine. I just need you to tell me everything that happened.
Rebecca, there is nothing else to tell you. Except that Obinna was part and the beginning of the plan to take over the throne. That's all.
No. My son wants her to know everything. That's why he brought her in this tent when we are preparing for his remembrance. My daughter, our enemy was the least person we could ever suspect.
Hey. Mazudeno.
Oh no.
All I am asking is for you to lease half of your acres of land to me. I want to make use of that land next year for farming. Don't worry about the payment. I am going to pay you well. Very well.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yes.
Are you talking about my land at Isi Dida?
That is what I'm saying.
Why is it that you don't always like to go to a place where we don't benefit? Why? You only like to go to a place where you win. You go here, you win. You go here, you win. Why?
Mazudin, I have told you already. The land at Isindida is what I am asking of.
Oh.
And when you make reference about me going to places that profits me, you should understand that Onowu is a man that is created to win. You should know your Onowu. I was not born to be counting trees and houses. No. I am made properly to live and live well, happily.
Anyway, can you afford to pay for the land? I know you are not lacking financially. You are not lacking, your financial calculation is very balanced. But you know that land is very large and very, very fertile.
Mazudin, initially you were talking as if you don't like money. But now you've started speaking like a man that loves the taste of money, just like you are no. Like I said earlier, I will pay you handsomely. Don't worry. Ego metigianata.
Oh no. I trust what you can do. I know you have the financial capability. I trust you.
You know I'm not demanding for all, just half.
Very, very sweet. Is he doing along the farm road? Okay, it's always very sweet.
You climbed it, Mama. You climbed up.
I have something to say. You see, we'll be making a lot of money from Onowu this season. As the Onowu is interested in leasing our land at Isindida. Why are you not saying anything? Ugo? Or you're not interested in what I said?
Dimoma, the business is good. Just that the man that you are doing the business with is who we don't like.
Why? Is it because of what happened in the past? Let us forget the past. This is strictly business.
Father, with due respect. With due respect, Father, this can never be in the past. You sounded as if you have forgotten all that he did. This is a man who fought tooth and nail to ensure that you are not included in the king's cabinet. And up to now, you are not. Father, I am old enough to recognize an evil man when I see one.
Look. It's okay, my son. It's okay. You see, why don't we learn to forget the past? Like I told you, it's strictly business. It's not on a friendly basis or anything we call it.
Father, I beg to disagree with you. This can't be business. This just cannot be business.
My husband, our son is not lying. Onowu has the characteristics of an evil man.
It's okay. What are these stories for? I said what I said.
Father, we are sorry for God to offended. But why is it that my father cannot take a simple advice when it is given? That's your father. But as you just said, this man has the characteristics of an evil man.
That's him.
Onowu is a demon. That man is a demon.
He knows this. Why can't your father understand this?
Here! As you just said, this man the characteristics of an evil man.
Nai, let me run along and get the leaves from the bush as you requested.
Ugunwa, no. Please sit down. There is something I want to discuss with you.
Okay.
I have been experiencing some changes within me for some time now.
What type of changes, my husband?
The gods. I no longer hear from the gods. I no longer see what the gods are showing me. I have been in darkness for some time now.
Nai, what happened? Are you sure someone has not cast a spell on you?
Spell? No one has the power to cast a spell on me. Throughout this kingdom, and even within our neighboring kingdoms, not even one person. Anyway, the last time I checked on the gods, I am still being favored by the gods amongst all.
What do we call this now? We are in a serious danger and open to any form of attack.
No. No one dares it. I mean, no one can dare it because no one knows. I have been doing these things I'm doing with my own ideas and experiences. That is all.
What if you make a mistake and someone finds out?
There you come again. Don't worry yourself. I am still the chief priest of this land. The Ojena Mari of this land. The Anyanafuni Nanzuzo of this land. Yeah. Don't worry yourself. Very soon I will find out whoever is behind all this. May the gods forgive me because if I get me, I just have to plead with the gods in advance. May the gods forgive me for the evil I'm about to commit. Because if eventually I discover whoever is behind all this, hey! The entire family is going to be wiped out. What's happened?
Hey, Nai. Okay, I'm coming. Let me go and get the leaves.
Go. Go.
See, from the east to the south is 250 feet. Why the north is about 200 and some few feet. Then down this way to the west, Ugo, are you alright?
Is that not your son?
Please, don't mind him. Maybe he's trapped. No, maybe he's tried not get any meat today. Please, let's forget about him.
Mazudin. Well, I've seen this place and I believe I like it. This is the kind of things I love to invest money on. Well, you asked for the money. The money is available already.
I know what you can do.
We have to go to my house so that you can have the money. But I want to ask, the documents covering this transaction between me and you, which both of us must endorse, before I hand over the money to you. Are they ready?
Look, don't you trust me? The documents are ready. Both the new, the old, the ancient, they are just ready. What we need to do is just go home and sign the dotted line. And the line becomes yours after giving me the money.
Let's go.
Let us go. Oh no, I trust what you can do.
Madonna, now that we are done with the burial of my son, I want you to move on with your life. This is the right time for you. You can't keep hanging on like that. You're a beautiful girl with a bright future.
Mother, no. No. There is no bright future without the prince. No.
Listen. I saw the 3 well-to-do and handsome men you showed me. I saw them at the burial. All I am asking you to do is to choose one out of them and move on with your life. Whatever has happened, and such is life. Tomorrow you may leave here, Madonna. Listen to me, please.
Mother, please. I'm begging you. Please don't chase me away. Don't. Please. Anytime I come to this house and go to his room, I feel his presence around me and I feel more comfortable. Please, I'm begging you. I'll be fine. Don't chase me away. I'm begging you, please.
Madonna, I'm not chasing you away. What you are doing right now is that you're causing more harm on yourself and it's not proper. What I am trying to do is what every good mother will do. Choose a man, settle down and live your life. No. Listen to me. Listen to me. Wherever my son is, he will know that you meant well for him. And you will even hear his voice telling you to move on.
No, I can't. The pain is too much. I can't bear it. No.
You can.
It's too much.
No, you can. Listen to me. You can do it.
No.
Listen to me. I'm a mother.
No.
Please. All I'm asking you to do is to move on with your life. You can't keep doing this to yourself. It's okay. Please. Madonna, you can do this. You can do this for yourself. It's for your own good. Okay? It's okay. Madona's mother is in trouble.
Over what? Is Madonna okay?
They say they've not seen her since the last time she came here.
Meaning what?
After I advised her to move on with her life, Amanda said she came to her room.
Yes, Father. I told her that mother's advice is the right thing she has to do. I even got food. We ate together. I escorted her out.
Have they searched for her everywhere around here? And are sure that this was the last place she left?
Her mother said she had a phone conversation with her. And she said she was tired that everyone should leave her alone.
Go and call her mother, Amanda.
Yes, Father.
What are you doing here? And how did you find me here?
I should be the one asking you that. What are you doing in this lonely place? Do you know what time it is now? You made your parents worried. We are all worried. We have been looking for you everywhere.
Where's my phone? I can't find it.
It's at the palace.
I missed him so much. I can't bear the pain. This is why I came here. At least let me see him, if I can see him.
I'm sorry. I understand. Let's go. Okay? But you need to let go. Really. It's okay, please. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay, please. Okay, let's go. Please. Come, let's go.
You know you're a very good man.
I know.
A very, very good man. But if you allow me to advise you, you see, it will be good for you to allow the gods to take their own course and play everything by their own way.
No, oh no, no. You see, I understand your fear. But let me make it clear to you that when I become the king of our people, very soon, of which you know, my family is the rightful owner of that kingship, I shall retain you as the owner because you are also a very good man.
This is a handshake from Ono to you.
Very good.
You see, I appreciate. Thanks for the compliment.
You always appreciate me.
Yes.
I know.
You see, the manner you spoke, I really don't think is right. Yes, it could mean well personally to you. But you see, our Igwe is still alive. Still sitting on the throne. Except you are wishing him dead so soon. Or maybe you have other plans.
Oh no. Oh no. The language of our elders are the language of wisdom.
You are correct.
The God forbid, no one's blood is worth that throne. I'm only talking for tomorrow, not today.
Now you are beginning to make sense. It is getting clearer to me now. Because the manner you spoke, I've started watching you from the corner of my eyes already.
No, the gods forbid that I dream such dream. You see, even though if I don't become king, my son is still very young, he'll be there. I am not in a hurry. I am never in a hurry.
As you rightly said, the words of the elders are words of wisdom.
Exactly.
You just made the same statement now. You've spoken as a wise man.
Yes.
So let's continue with our drink. What is it? Are you... you want to leave?
You see, I am heading to another place before getting home. Let me reserve some space because I know there will be a lot to drink and eat over there. So let me not fill all the space in my stomach.
You want to abandon your drink?
No, I'm not abandoning this. I've taken enough in Ono's house. Let me try the next door. There's a lot to drink and eat there.
It's all right. I will see you off.
But however, when it is my turn to entertain, you eat and take home.
Let's wait for that day.
So let me run along.
What was it? What is it? Talk to me, where should go? Blood! Hey! What is it now? What is it? Talk to me! Ugo, what is it? What is it with him? I thought I was eating blood. Oh no, let's take him home. Let's take him home. Lift him. Lift him. Lift him. Papa, talk to me about this. Let's go. Let's go. My father. Hey, don't do my father. Papa, what to eat now? What do we do? Hey. Oh no. Let's go. Let's try it. Oh no, help me, please. Oh no, please help me. My father. Bring him up. Bring him up. Bring him up. Hey! Papa, don't do this to me now. Eh? Papa, talk to me. Tell me, what did you eat? Eh? Papa, what did you drink? Mama! Hey! Papa. Mama! Papa, talk to us now. What did you do? Look at hey, Papa, no. What did you do? Hey, what happened to my husband? Mama, what did you do? How did you talk to me? Papa, what did you do? What did you do? Udenu. Take heart, please. Take heart. Eh? I will make sure the Igwe is aware. Eh?
Do you know if mistakenly Mazu Denu died in my house? There is no way I would have denied not knowing what killed him because both of us ate and drank in my house. Eh?
No, indeed. I thank the gods that I did not go any further to pursue the matter that I had with him before. Everyone will say that I killed him so that he won't be a threat to my throne.
Igwe, you are right. And if we should look deeper, his son is still alive and vibrant. I think he is even the one that is a threat to the throne, Igwe.
Oh no, it will be too late before anyone will come to think about that. Yes.
Well, I am sorry for their loss, though. I heard that the son and Mazudenu's wife, that they are doing everything. They are going all out to find out the cause of Mazudenu's death.
They better do it quickly. They have my total support. Okay? I will send another guard to go and decimate the information.
Igwe.
Oh no.
Igwe, that's why we talk about you in this our land. You are very caring.
Well, I knew of a couple in the town where I did my NYSC. They didn't have kids, and I was very nice to them. In fact, I'm actually building a bungalow for them. And I got them to act as your parents, and they did not object.
Why would you do that?